Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial, we will see the syllabus of second unit, that is cell biology. It is also a very important module which will help you for your exam point of views. So in this, I have divided this module into two parts. First one is structure and function of the cell, and second one is structure of chromosome and cell cycles, which includes all these topics. Now we will see all these in detail. At first we will see about the cell, its structure and function. It includes membrane structure and function. In membrane structure and function, you have to learn about membrane protein, including membrane fluidity, then osmosis, thereafter ion channels, activate transport, ion pumps, also mechanism of sorting and regulation of intracellular transports, thereafter diffusion and lipid asymmetry and membrane protein diffusion, and last one is electrical properties of membranes. Now, in structural organization and function of intracellular organelles, you have to learn about cell wall, nucleus, nucleolus, including its orientation of DNA. Thereafter, mitochondria, Golgi bodies including its functions. Then lysosomes. Thereafter, endoplasmic reticulum. Then also go through peroxisomes, plastids, chloroplasts, vacuoles, cytoskeletons and its roles in mortality. All these are very important topics. Now we will proceed to our next topic, that is structure of chromosome and cell cycle. At first, you have to go through organization of gene and chromosome, which consists of structure of chromatin and chromosomes. It includes its unique and repetitive DNA, then heterochromatin, euchromatin, transposons, and then operon in detail, including lactose operon, that is lac operon, and tryptophan operon. Then gene families, lac operon gene mutation and tryptophan operon attenuation. Now, last one is cell cycle and cell division. It's very important topic because lots of question comes from this. It includes steps in cell cycle, that is M, G1, S and G2. Thereafter, phases of cell cycle. It includes mitosis, that is interphase, then mitotic division. It includes prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytokinesis, and last one is meiosis. Now the next topic is control of cell cycle. So control of cell cycle includes checkpoints and control points. Then cell cycle regulation and cell cycle and cancer. All these are very vast topic which we will discuss in our next video tutorial. Now the next topic is microbial physiology. It includes growth, yield and characteristics, strategies of cell division, and lastly stress response. So all these are the topics which you need to know very well. So I hope syllabus of this module is clear now. So stay tuned guys, we will meet soon in our next video tutorial.